Hello students, look at this beautiful snowman. This snowman is created using sphere, cone, curve and cylinder. Look at this head. Let us try to create this head. For that, we have to add cylinder. Shift A, mesh, cylinder. Now, to make a head, first we have to change the object mode to edit mode. For that, I will press tab key. Now we are in edit mode. In edit mode, we can edit faces, edges and vertices. Now let us create a head. For that, we have to divide this cylinder into two halves. I will use Ctrl R and mark a loop. Now select the faces. For that, I will use Shift key. Press and hold Shift key to select the faces. Now use E to extrude and S to resize. So this is how our beautiful head is created. Now let us try to build a snowman and his head.